cut the cake. The cake. Happy,
Sintihan mo muna. Sintihan.
May salak ka para matanda siya talaga.
Oh, one.
No, we're gonna sing first.
Wait, light it first.
Kanta muna. Kanta.
Happy birthday to you. Hi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a whiz. Make a whiz. Make a whiz. Make a whiz. 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 One more whiz. One more whiz. Okay. Happy birthday. Happy. She's looking at the other cake to cut. Oh. Mom, let her cook the cake the way she wants.
I'm just taking this. I'm not cutting it for her. Then
yeah.
you cut it like an ordinary cake. Tama na. Tumawag si Densyo pala. Ano sabi? Eh, ginitin niya si Manang Cortez. Ito, nagkakat ng cake. Tsaka napatawagan na lang ito sa mamaya. Sa lantay kami siyempre.
Teka, solo mo na Lourdes. Siguro mo lang yung ano.
Sige.
Solo lang. Huwag mo lang yan. Ganyan mo lang. Kataganyan lang. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan. Ayan. Tingin dito. Ayan. One more. Ayan. Tingin dito, tingin. One, two, three. Ayan, ayos. Ayan. Okay. Ano, mag-cut ka na. Ikaw na mag-cut. Ayan, distribute mo na.
So, sana lang din sila.
Hindi, ba't may ibibigay? Hindi, mga bata, gusto sila. Ngayon, ayaw mo. Baka na ka mo. Ako muna.
Sige, 50 years old si Will. Ang cake niya
Malaki.
First slice.
Di mo nalugis na muna. Nalugis na muna. Tignan muna yan. Magsama.
Oops. Fruit tart.
Come on.
Don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed. Mom, are you gonna get some cake?
You want cake?
Not now.
Okay, I don't like cake.
You don't like to eat cake?
This is good cake. This is stress. Okay. Tres leches. Kain kayo. Tingnan niyo yan. Magandang cake yan. Tres leches.
Magkano ikanta yung suka dito?
Saan sayang?
Kuha na lang ng may gusto.
Slice na lang sila.
Yung mga yan lang.
Sa Pales. Sa Felipe.
Say hello to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, never mind.
Sarap sa mga tres leches.
Baka pangumsunan yung William. Sa San Diego.
No, blueberry. Ay, blackberry.
The kambing. Woo. Hello. Say hello. Wait, give me high five. High five. High five. High five. High five. Yeah. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Yeah. High five. Yeah. Wait. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss to the camera. Blow a kiss like that. Yeah. All right. That's gonna get you some numbers later. All right. See, back to the cake.
Yung kayo nga, talo kayo.
Siyempre, dalawa kami. Kasi, pare, buwan mo kami, 15 kami.
Ito kayo na.
Siyempre,
Buwan, ha? Ito ako sa amin. Kaya tapos boiler na. Hot water. Yung mga maintenance na sa mga media nyo, at sa PMS na, dapat.
ang tama, nabit lang.
Dapat PMS na.
Dad's getting a slice.
Yeah, I'm gonna slice. I'm gonna,
Dahil ko, ayan, okay malagtihan.
Okay. I have to record this.
Abang pay.
Ibig ka sa 1.
Abang pay man.
So Dad, Uncle Frank's a witness. You're gonna exercise 5 times a week.
Okay, I'm just gonna walk. Walking exercise.
Walk, if you start walking 1 hour or 30 minutes a day, progress good already.
So when we get back, I'm gonna start walking.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
Dapat bumili ka ng treadmill mo para kahit winter.
Dad, the treadmill was balay?
No summer, kasi mo legit walk.
Mom, say hi.